Hey guys, my name is Steven from 101 Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this double exposure design in Photoshop. So first of all, we are going to start by cropping our picture. We're going to go to get our picture. So I want to use this picture for the tutorial. I already have a PNG version of it, but I just want to show you guys how to crop it out. So we're going to click on select subjects. So it's going to select the picture for us, select around, then you can crop it. Yeah, you already have it selected. Then I'm going to go down to quick selection tool and just click on select and mask. So after doing this, just to save it. Yeah, so I can save this as a PNG, though I already have this as a PNG saved in my system. So anyway, I just replace it. So you see I already have it here, so anyways, just replace. That's it. So next thing, I'm going to create the frame size we're going to use for this design. So I'm going to click on Ctrl N to pop out this new frame. If you can also come here, file, new, but the shortcut is Ctrl N. Just pops out this menu for you. Then I want to use pixels. Let's say 2400 widths by 2000 by 3000 pixels, and the resolution set to 300 RGB. Yeah, save. So I'm going to place that picture here, picture I just cropped. I'm dragging it and I put it here, and then I'll just resize it a bit. Yeah, I don't think I should resize it. I should just leave it like this. Just bring it down a bit so the head's not going to be like at the top like that. Okay, just drop it down a bit like this. I'm going to put the link to get these pictures. I'm going to put in the description below so you can get it anytime. And you can also create your own design too, and I'll put it out. So I'm going to leave it like this. Then yeah, just like this. Let's see if I can just do some little brightening to the picture. It might not be necessary, but I'm just trying to see if I can do something there. Yeah, so let's see. Too much contrasts. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to leave it like this, so you can just do anything you want to do, but I'm just going to leave mine like this. Then I will add a background. I don't want it to be like plain white background like this, so I'll just add a solid color from here, and I'll leave it at, let's say, this level. Let's see, yeah, something around this. So I'll not have like a plain. You can see there's a difference when I toggle off and on. Then I will bring the city. I want to have like a reflection of a city on this guy's face now. So I'll bring in the city here, and this is what I want to use. This is a city I want to use. So drop it here. Yeah, I need to make it bigger, resize it a bit. So like this, I think like this is fine. And then let's see, let's position it up a bit. So this cars, reflection of the cars, and some other things, some other features on the city frame can show. Then I would just, from here I would find a proper effect for this. Let's see, I'll put this to, I think Lithium is fine. Yeah, so I'll leave it on Lithium. Now let's see. Yeah, this is okay. So next thing, let's see. I just want to add like kind of contrasts, some little effects of this thing just to make it a little bit balanced. So I'll press Shift Control Alt E. So to create a flattened layer for this, then let's convert it to smart object. So whatever I do, I can easily adjust. Then camera raw filter. Let's see. Yeah. So this is not really something serious, just to see if I can tweak it a bit to get some little changes in it. So let's drop the highlights, then I take this right out of it, clarity, DH, and others. So yeah, you see it gave it kind of some little changes that made it better. So next thing I'm going to let's see if I can just add a little bit color to this, you understand, just to try something. So I'm going to go down to my background layer. I already had one, I have one in mind, so I want to put this stuff on it in the frame like this, just see if I can add a little bit colorish kind of style to it. So this like this, then I'll find the proper so I think something like this, though I'm not going to leave it like this, I'm not sure. So let's see, I just have to drop the fill down. Yeah, something like this is good. So what else I can do, you can leave it like this, but I'll just go further to see if I can add some stuff. I have some concepts in my head already, so which is why you see me just, you understand, just going around. So I have some concept, let me just see if I can do one or two things. So I'll press Shift Control Alt E again just to create another flattened layer, convert it to smart object. Then I set my color like this. You see when you come down to your foreground color by your left down, you see up is on purple, so this purple color 3C306B. Then you set the other one to black. Then I'll come here to I'll come here to clouds. You come to filter, render, clouds, create this stuff for me. So I will now find a balanced layer style for it. Yeah, let's see. So I like this one. Something plain. The other one, so this one too is cool. Well, I think this color is nice. Yeah, so we'll go with this one. Let's see. Yeah, this one is good. So I'm just going to do another flatten layer, Shift Alt Control E. Then I'll see if I can add a little bit of like some other kind of just edit it a bit to give it some more contrasts. Yeah, that's the way I did before. So contrast increase. I don't think this is going to do much. Just not to have it look too plain and too normal. Just want to do something a little bit different. Yeah, she's looking kind of different. Let's see. Let's just repeat it too small. I still like it to have that kind of brightened look. Let's see if I can add some curves here. Curves. Yeah, I like this. So you're adding some curves here. I think I have another thing in mind to do for this. So you add these curves. You see how it's looking kind of better now. So I can also do another flatten layer. I'm doing a lot of flatten layer here. I usually do that a lot when I'm designing. Yeah, so I want to add lens flare. So you see this light popping down. on this area. I want it to have like a sun reflection here, just maybe somewhere at the edge or somewhere around. So I'm going to add a lens flare here, right from Photoshop. Lens flare here. So you see there are different, you can choose any pattern of lens flare you want. You see there are different styles here. So for this one, I'm going to do the movie prime. Let's see. I don't want it to bright like that, so I'm going to set it to 119. Yeah, you see, she gave us that reflection. So if we turn it off, yeah, turn it on, just give the design a little bit light. So I think I can leave it like this, or I can also just do something different, something else, just some little bit of this, and let's see. I like using color balance for some of my designs, so let's see color balance, and then balance it up just to make it get some more, see, like this poppy kind of design kind of thing there. So then I just add the text. You can add the text here, but let's see, I'm just going to do, I titled this on cover. So I'm using this text. Yeah, this was the title of this text, monument extended. So I'll just drop the size down to, let's say, 10, and I want to flip it. I think this stuff is too much. Yeah, I want to flip it. Then so Ctrl C, and then you hold Shift, so it will give you that angle 90 rotation, not just flipping anyhow. So yeah, I want to place the text here. I don't want it to obstruct anything, just have it here. Then I have this idea to do like to give it like an outline. So what do? I drop the fill of it, and then I go and add stroke to its stroke. Yeah, I think this is good. Stroke. Let's see, stroke size. I set stroke size to 3, and then yeah, this is fine. So another thing I can do is to do Shift Ctrl Alt A, which is another flatten layer, and convert to smart objects. I can also come to camera raw filter and add some sharpen to it, or maybe some grains, just to make it look like a little bit, have some more added features to it. So we'll close this and come down to the sharpen layer. I think details. Yeah, then you can increase sharpen up a bit, not too much, so you don't have it looking somehow. Then I come to the effect and grains, then I increase it a bit. So yeah, so there you go. This is what I wanted to show you guys how to do. So this is a double exposure design here. Thank you guys for watching. I see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.